Does your turbocharged engine feel completely gutless when you step on the gas? You might be dealing with a boost control issue, indicated by the P0246 engine code. This generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code applies to many turbocharged and supercharged vehicles on American roads today, including models from Ford, General Motors, and Volkswagen. When your scanner pulls this code, it means your powertrain control module, which is the main engine computer, has detected an abnormally high voltage reading in the electrical circuit specifically for Wastegate boost pressure control solenoid A. The engine computer uses this solenoid to control the wastegate, which regulates how much exhaust gas spins the turbocharger, ultimately controlling your boost pressure. When the computer tries to activate the solenoid by providing power or a ground, and it sees that voltage is already present on the circuit when it should not be, it throws this code. Because this is strictly an electrical circuit fault, the symptoms are usually very noticeable. Your check engine light will definitely illuminate, and you might get a warning message on your instrument cluster. Most importantly, you will experience a severe lack of power because the computer cannot control the turbo, meaning you get zero boost when accelerating. The causes for this high voltage code are entirely electrical. The most common culprit is a short to power somewhere in the control circuit wiring between the solenoid and the computer. You could also have a completely defective wastegate solenoid, an open power supply or ground circuit, or heavily corroded electrical connectors. In rare cases, the engine computer itself might be failing. To troubleshoot this at home, start by locating the boost control solenoid under the hood and visually inspecting the wiring harness. Look for any wires that have rubbed bare and are touching hot engine parts or other wires. Disconnect the plug and check for green corrosion on the metal terminals. If the wiring looks clean, you will need a digital volt ohmmeter to test the internal resistance of the solenoid itself, making sure it is neither completely open nor shorted out. You also need to verify that the solenoid is receiving 12 volts of power and a solid ground when the ignition is turned on. Because diagnosing shorted circuits and testing the actual ground pulse from the engine computer requires advanced electrical knowledge, you should take your vehicle to a professional mechanic if a visual inspection does not reveal an obvious broken wire. Guessing on this repair can lead you to accidentally fry your expensive engine computer. Thanks for tuning in, and keep your turbo spinning correctly.